Hello, this is your friend Papal Penguin, and today we're going to be looking at Minetime, available at Minetime.ai. Minetime is a calendar app building calendars for the 21st century. They investigate how to bring the latest technologies into everyday life. Minetime is part of a research project by ETH Zurich to build a modern multi-platform AI-powered calendar application. This is according to their website. They're available in Debian package, RPM, and they also have an app image, as well as other platforms and previous versions available. Now, all your calendars are in one place. You can be able to natively use Google Calendar, Outlook, Microsoft Exchange, even iCalendar and CalDAV. I use this on my normally on my main rig, and it's great. It analyzes the time that you spend through the week on your appointments, and it tries to improve your future scheduling decisions by showing you when you're actually more free to be able to have an appointment. It uses natural language to be able to schedule events, so you could type in stuff like meeting with John and Peter on Friday, the 3rd at 3 p.m., and add new event next week. So it's pretty cool. It uses basic English, and it also is cross-platform. It uses Electron. I know not all people are very big on Electron, but hey, it allows us to be able to have it on multiple platforms, and it is absolutely stunning once we get it installed and open. So just wait a few minutes and we'll get to showing out the application itself. Now, on Arch systems, it's in the Arch user repository. So what we're going to do for here is look up Minetime and pull it up. And here we go, minetime.bin. And while it is installing, we'll look a little bit more on the actual website to be able to find out more information about it. According to this, it also has smart scheduling, finds times that works for everyone, and is a pain sometimes. And by using artificial intelligence, it learns your daily pattern and preferences. Considering everyone's agenda and their personal preferences, Minetime makes group scheduling fast and easy as never before. And there are a bunch of question and answers, frequently asked questions at the end. This is developed in Switzerland, so just like Proton Mail, they really respect your privacy, which is absolutely fantastic. They're not going to sell your data. They're financed, of course, by ETH Zurich and by the Swiss Innovation Agency. And now we have Minetime installed. Let's open it up and take a look at the setup process of using Minetime. I closed it by accident. Show Minetime. Okay, and first we're welcome with the EULA and privacy policy and a welcome. And it's normally I always recommend that if you want to know what is in the software, look at the EULA and the privacy policy. It tells you a lot of information. Now here's where we're greeted with the setup of Minetime. Minetime allows you to be able to use Exchange, Outlook 365, Google Calendar, iCloud, and CalDAV. And they, at least I know for a fact on iCloud, they use app-specific passwords, so you don't have to enter in your full access to be able to use it. Now, here it's asking for my information, so I will quickly open up another tab here and get my app-specific password so that we can be able to do this. There we go. Alrighty. I hope everyone's doing good today. And let's see here. Entering in the one-time password to be able to access my Apple ID. Now we need to generate a app-specific password. We're going to label it Minetime and hit enter. And here we go. We have an app-specific password that we use to be able to set this sucker up. And as it asks, we have to verify the email address. So it's even if someone had access to your app specific password and your email address, they would still have to verify the email address to be able to activate it. If you notice, there's no information available until you get that email address. So let's go over real quick, and I'll surf over to iCloud. And this is all for demonstration purposes. I will be getting a new app password after I'm done with this, so no worries about sharing this information if you want for one time. Now, we are looking for, might be in the junk mail, and then again it might not be. Alright, normally it shows up in here, so here we go. Verification code. All you have to do is select it and copy it, and we have access. Now, right now it's only showing one of my calendars. If we wanted to actually be able to set this up, there are a few things that we gotta do to begin with. You gotta go to Manage Accounts. Manage Accounts allows you to be able to click on your different calendar accounts. You can see mine right here. And you can see I have a bunch of different accounts that I use. And you just select which ones you want to be active. Right now, I'm not going to have anything active. Mainly because of, I'll mark this one active. That way, we have some basic information to be able to, without anything personal. Here's your profile settings. It shows your main calendar. Right here is work. And it shows our time zone. And it defaults to Monday being the first day of the week, but I'm a traditionalist. I like to have it as Sunday. And I am comfortable with either 12 or 24 hour time, but I am a person who normally likes to use 12-hour time for the most part. It makes it easier for me. And different default views. We have day view, agenda view, week view, month view, and they even have a 10-day outlook. Now, themes, they have a light theme and a dark theme. And the rest are basically self-explanatory. Now, let's say you wanted to. This is one of the things I love about this. Here's the assistant. You see the calendar and you see the current date. Let's say you want to schedule an appointment. You have a doctor's appointment. Let's say Wednesday, let's say the 19th. Now, what we would type is basically the doctor's appointment. On Wednesday, February, let's see, now it shows the Friday the 21st here, which is what today is definitely not. So it's saying a week from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get it into more exact language. We're going to say schedule doctor we're going to schedule the doctor's appointment now. Sometimes it may pick up, it may not. You see here it says suggested time. It shows Wednesday, but PM is not normally when I tend to like to have a doctor's appointment. So let's see here. It's probably there's the reason right there. Let's try this February 19th. 2 p.m. Now we have doctor's appointment, 2 p.m. on February the 19th. Now, if we wanted to save that, we would click save, and then we would, but since this is just for creation purposes, we'll click save. You can add extra information in there. And as you can see, the appointment is set up now. Now we could clone, we can edit tags, or we can delete. I'm going to delete it because that's pretty much shown what the calendar can do when it comes to the artificial intelligence, which is great. Now, the other thing I wanted to show off is the insight. Of course, there's not much information right now on here, but with the insight, you'll be able to actually see data on how you're spending your time. And it will show you who you're spending your appointments with and who you're meeting with. And it goes into great detail. The data is kept on your computer and is not sold or anything like that, which is excellent. They value your privacy 100%. Now, this is Minetime. Minetime is a fantastic application, and I hope that I personally hope that someone finds this useful, and will. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below, and also. Remember to subscribe, like, and can comment if you want to comment. But I have just started up a Patreon account for this channel. I'm working on being able to make this more of a regular weekly, daily thing if possible. I'm going to start off a couple videos a week and see if I can go from there. But if you would like to help support the channel, follow me on Patreon. The link is on the channel, and I will place it as well in the description down below. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.